Class 10 students, today I will discuss about coordinate bond. Coordinate bond, which is also called dative bond. Coordinate bond or dative bond. Earlier we have read about electrovalent bond and covalent bond. This is coordinate bond. Coordinate bond is a special type of covalent bond. In covalent bond, we have seen in covalent bond bond formed like this. Say A and B are two elements, both has shortage of electron. Say A requires 1 electrons and B requires 1 electrons to fill octet. Then they form an electron pair. This electron pair will be shared by A and B, forming a covalent bond. Their electron share is formed by A and B. The electron pair constitute 2 electrons, 1 electron from A and 1 electron from B. So, to form the electron pair, 2 atoms participate equally and shared equally. This is how covalent bond is formed. Now, in coordinate bond, you will see that say A and B both has 1 electron in their outermost shell, or 7 electrons in their outermost shell. They require 1 electron to fill up octet. In this bond, as this is a special type of covalent bond, here you see there also a bond formation will occur. A bond formation will occur, but here in this case I am showing the electrons of A only, and here these electrons from A only form a share, and this share will be distributed by A and B. So sharing of electron is same in coordinate bond and covalent bond, but the difference is the formation of pair of electrons which are shared. This pair of electron in coordinate bond is formed by only one atom, either A or B, but will be shared equally between A and B. So the bond is written as A tends to B. A arrow marks denote A donate electron towards B. So A may be called as donor and B is called acceptor. Donor and acceptor. This is how coordinate bond is formed. Now I am giving example with actual molecules. In covalent bond, there are example, say H2. Each requires electron. So it will form in this way, and this is a covalent bond. Now, in coordinate bond, you will see that one atom has filled up octet, but the adjacent atom has sextet. Say for example, ammonium ion, NH4 plus ion, ammonium ion formation. first step, ammonia molecule is formed. Ammonia molecule formed. This is by covalent bond. We have seen N, H, H, H in three sides. Each H atoms has one electron, and nitrogen electron has 5 electrons in the outermost shell. These 5 are shown by cross marks. So this will be a pair, electron pair. So hydrogen will fill the duplet and nitrogen as octet. So it is a covalent bond. Central atom nitrogen has this lone pair of electron. These are called lone pair of electron. Lone pair of electron, as they do not participate in bond formation. These electrons participating in bond, but these electrons do not participate in bond. Now if number 2 stage, if this ammonia molecule comes close to H plus ion, ammonium H plus ion, here electron number is 0. H plus ion is formed by losing one electron from hydrogen atom. Each hydrogen requires 2 electrons to fill up duplet. So this lone pair of electrons will be donated towards H plus ion. That means this electron pair will be shared both by nitrogen and hydrogen, but the electron pair will be formed only by nitrogen, not by each atom. So the bond is shown like this. Nitrogen is donor, hydrogen is acceptor. In this complex, as the central element gets positive charge due to the donation of electron, so total complex will be positive charge. This is ammonium ion. So these are covalent bond, but this is coordinate bond. This is coordinate bond or dative bond. Nitrogen is donor and hydrogen is acceptor. This is the formation how ammonium ion forms.